Hey, Dr. Derek Thiel here with Max Health Chiropractic. Today I want to answer the most common question that I ever get asked. Doc, what should I put on my muscles? What should I put on my pain? Should I put ice on it or I should put heat on it? And today I want to answer that for you. When we look at it, we have to look at the actual injury itself. When we have an injury, generally there's some inflammation, some swelling, some edema in that area. Whenever we put ice on an area or on a pain, what the ice does is it actually constricts the blood vessels and helps to pump that inflammation out of the area. When we put heat on an area, heat opens up the blood vessels and brings more inflammation to that area. So a lot of times what people will experience, they'll put heat on an area and it'll feel really good, or they might hurt their back. They'll go climb in a hot tub and it'll feel really good at the time, but it's going to cause more swelling and more inflammation, and they're going to be in more pain the next couple days later. So what's going to be best? Ice is generally going to be best because it's going to constrict the blood vessels, help get rid of the inflammation, and help with the healing process. So hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something. I'm Dr. Derek Thiel with Max Health Chiropractic. Thanks for tuning in. Hey there, welcome back. This is Dr. Derek Thiel with Max Health Chiropractic. Our last session we talked about what's best, ice or heat for sore muscles, especially after an injury. We determined that ice is better for us because it actually gets rid of the inflammation. How should we ice? How do we do it? How long should we do it for? My recommendation is put the ice directly on that area, 20 minutes on, half an hour to an hour off, another 20 minutes on. So what that's going to do, that's going to help to get rid of the inflammation, help the healing process, and help to reduce your pain as well. Another side note, if we're using real ice, like real ice cubes, you can put that directly on the area. However, if we're using like a gel pack, a cold gel pack that you put in the freezer, that actually gets colder than ice. We want to make sure that we're putting some sort of towel or a wet washcloth over the gel pack before we apply that directly to the skin. Hope you learned something, hope this helps. If we ice, 20 minutes on, half an hour to an hour off. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Dr. Derek Thiel with Max Health Chiropractic.